Hello guys, welcome to another session of Eric Mwenda Capital, and today we are going to start with the economic calendar. This is actually for yesterday. I'm using investing.com as my point of economics data or fundamentals. So yesterday there were several key rates, interest decision. You can see the Brazilian real. It maintained at a steady pace of 13.75%. There was also the euro interest rate decision, which was raised from 1.25% to 2%. That's like 75 basis points, and we are going to see how that affected the markets yesterday. It actually strengthened the dollar, and the euro fell down, but you're going to see that in a few minutes. Yeah, basically that was it. And President Christine Lagarde made a speech. So let's look at today. Remember to also be going through the global news outlook, that is via Bloomberg or any other source you find good for you. But I personally use Bloomberg to keep me updated on the global financial outlook. So you can see the German GDP is coming out today, and if you ask me, we might be having another slump today. EURUSD might be going down also today, but let's wait and see. The Russian ruble also has an interest rate today. We're going to wait and see also on that one. The Canadian also have a GDP. Data is coming in from the Canada GDP. Yeah, we have pending home sales. Yes, there's still a slump there. You can see the consensus is -5%, but the best thing is to wait and see how it happens. So let's start with EURUSD, and I'm using TradingView.com. We were talking about yesterday and how those interest rates really affected the markets. You can see from here there was a very big slump. I'm using the 1 hour time frame. There was a big slump right over here because of the interest rate decision to raise the euro, the England central bank to raise the rates up by 75 basis points up to 2%. Yeah, this slump was caused by that. So I am really expecting a slump, a continuous slump. Remember, this was in a downtrend. If you can see it clearly, it was in a downtrend. So this just the slight retracement, then we go back down. So I'm really expecting in the long term maybe to clock 0.968 right over there. Maybe today we might clock 0.987, something on this region right over here. You can see my region right over here, because of these peaks or bottom you have on right here, and also right here. So that's what I'm expecting today. And along at me, please let me delete it. Yes, and that's my outlook on euro versus the US dollar. Let's see if there was some positive or negative divergence which you could have used. Oh yes, there was actually a good divergence here. I don't know if you can see it. If you don't know what you are really talking about, maybe you can revisit our videos about divergences, and maybe you will learn about positive and negative divergences. Yeah, so you can see on the chart it's really going up, but it does not translate again on the stochastic. So if you were lucky, you would have put a sell here and stood a chance to make 9858, almost 100 pips, almost 100 pips plus. Yeah, So go look at our video about divergence. But basically I think we are going down on this one. The dollar will be coming in strong because that's a risk aversion commodity or even currency. So yeah, let's look at the pound versus the US dollar. Again, as I said, this was caused by third European interest rate hike, so we continue to watch this one. And also with this one also, I think this is a good retracement, but just wait on this one. Wait on maybe from Tuesday there you can put a sell on this one, because as you can see the strength of the bullish candles has reduced when you look at this red candle right over here. But now to confirm that, we need at least 2 or 3 more candles to confirm that sell, and then probably maybe you can short it. Yeah, let's also try to look at divergence here. Actually there was more. There was actually people should have eaten all these divergences. If you're willing to wait for these divergences, you can really hit on them. You can see here this was the top, this was, but it does not translate on the stochastic divergence. So if maybe you went at your trade maybe right over here 1346, you could actually bag almost 170 plus pips. A dollar would have given you $1,700. So yeah, be on the lookout for these divergences. They occur a lot. Just be on the lookout for them. Another positive, this was a negative divergence. Another positive divergence is this one. Yeah, so it's not yeah, you can see right with this zone right over here, and this zone, this was a positive divergence. So you could have waited when it made it first upward move and then waited because of this candlestick. Remember to also learn about the candlestick language, because the candlestick language guides you also where divergence cannot guide you. In fact, you can actually operate without even using the divergence, all these divergences, but provided that you know the candlestick language. So you see this was indicated that it was there was a downfall coming, and it did. But after it closed here, it formed a divergence on the stochastic, which roughly would have made you another 190 to 200 pips clean. So just watch on those divergences. Yeah, watch on those divergences, and you will be good. The Australian dollar versus the US dollar. Yeah, also this one follows the market of gold. Mostly it follows gold, which you're going to look at it. And also this also has also follows the EURUSD. You can see the similarities in these candlesticks with the EURUSD. Yeah, there is a lot of similarities. So I still think we're going down on the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. Let's look at the gold. Gold has been actually consolidating for quite a while now. Its movement is not as it used to be. You can see from here, it's not as it used to be, but depending on how the market will be, gold is used as also a risk aversion, meaning it follows the US dollar sometimes almost 60 to 80% of the time. Yeah. And also what I can see about this is another negative divergence. So about negative divergence, we expect a downfall let's expect it, but I don't think it will come today. If it comes today, it will come later in the day, I think from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. today, on Friday. I believe it's on Friday, yeah. So let's just wait on this gold, yeah. It's a negative divergence, so let's wait on it and wait for that drop. With Bitcoin has been falling for quite a while. Let's look at the daily. It has been falling for quite a while. It's at 20,000 now, and you can see the consolidation was 24,000 to 18,000. I bought some Bitcoins. I added my Bitcoin portfolio at almost 26. So we are just waiting on this one. But when this one opens, trust me, we are going to clock. I don't know when that will happen, but we are going to, after this, all this consolidation is done, we are going to clock about 69,000 and maybe break that previous high of 69,000. So just keep buying all this Bitcoin stuff and keep holding. Let's look at clear. You can see this consolidation here. Once this is done, accept tops as high as this, yeah. Expect tops as high as this, yeah. So guys, yeah, if you have any questions, if you have anything to tell us, you can leave us a comment at our Facebook page at Eric Mwenda Capital, on Twitter at Mwenda Capital. We also have our Instagram handle at Eric Mwenda Capital, and also you can pass by our website and message us or purchase one of our portfolio management courses or our PDFs if you want to learn more about this. You can also look at our free videos of this channel. So guys, yeah, have a fantastic weekend and a profitable week next week. Cheers.